I'm adding 3 new cryptos to my portfolio, and in my opinion, these cryptos have a great growth perspective. But remember guys, this is just my personal thoughts, and I personally can afford some risk. I'm testing different investing strategies all the time here because this channel is my online financial diary. So welcome guys, my name is Maria if you are new here. Let's go straight to the point. I'll tell you some useful information about every crypto I'm buying now. And the first crypto called Kusama. This is a mind-blowing crypto for me now. So what is Kusama? Kusama is such network that offers multiple solutions to its customers, bringing various blockchains to one unified network. Just look at this website, guys. I'm in love. Well, let's see. Kusama is a scalable network of specialized blockchains, built using Substrate and nearly the same codebase as Polkadot. The network is an experimental development environment for teams who want to move fast and innovate on Kusama or prepare for development on Polkadot. Kusama was founded in 2019 by Gavin Wood, founder of Polkadot and co-founder and former CTO of Ethereum. Kusama is built by the same teams as Polkadot, using nearly the same code and tools. The network places the latest tech from Parity Technologies and Web3 Foundation in the hands of developers, even before those features make it to Polkadot. Kusama brings multiple blockchains together into one shared network, freeing developers from the silos created by legacy blockchain networks. With Substrate, developers can build their own app-specific blockchain and connect it to Kusama. I will leave a link to this website in the description, guys. Well, crypto experts call Kusama wild and fast, while Polkadot is more towards conventional and conservative side. Kusama is definitely a profitable investment for the future. And now let's take a look at the charts for a second. As you can see, in 2019, the price was super low, then it blew up to 500 and even more, and now it's nearly $200 per coin. Well, I believe it's really possible for Kusama to triple or even quadruple its price during the future 2-3 years. What do you think, guys? Please let me know down below in the comments. By the way, very soon, guys, I'll have a great guest on my channel. It's a crypto expert, and I will definitely ask him about Kusama price prediction, so stay tuned. And my next choice, Polygon, previously called Matic. Polygon is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling. Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into a full-fledged multi-chain system. Polygon solves pain points associated with blockchains like high gas fees and slow speeds without sacrificing on security. This multi-chain system is akin to other ones such as Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and so on, but with at least 3 major upsides. It's able to fully benefit from Ethereum's network effects. It's inherently more secure. It's more open and powerful. Ethereum is the blockchain development platform of choice, but it has limitations. And we have a solution here, Polygon, a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an attractive feature set. You can pause this video and learn more about this set, guys. Also, projects. These are some of the many projects that already use Polygon architecture. Here is a button Explore More, and I will leave a link to this website also in the description of this video for you. Personally, I'm staking my Polygon on my favorite platform, called CryptoCom. It means I'm locking my crypto for a specific time and it gives me an opportunity to make some money on it. And guys, you can check out my recent video how I'm earning money on my crypto right here. And talking about CryptoCom platform, I see a great future for them. It's a great platform and also very secure. And that's why my crypto number 3, which I'm buying a lot now, is CRO, which is a native token of CryptoCom platform. It has 3 main functionalities: trading, payment, and financial services. CRO coin holders are able to enjoy benefits such as discounted fees, higher earnings for lending and priority services on CryptoCom platform, which is, by the way, growing fantastic now. By the way, guys, check out my tutorial how to get a Visa crypto card. I'm sure you will like this video because it's short and informative. So my price prediction for CRO is 10x in the near to 5 years. Let's see if I'm right. You can save this video and watch it again in a couple of years. And that's all for today. Please stay safe, take care, bye.